What up, guys? My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome to the Wheelhouse. So, if it's your first time on the channel, hit the subscribe, hit the like, select all, and put a comment on what you'd like to see. I'm going to give you some premium technicals, how to navigate this market. This whole momentum up, momentum down. You have to be real quick and you have to be real good, or you can lose really fast. I had a lot of really good days, but yesterday there was a lot of turnarounds. I elected to keep a lot open. I didn't want to take losses. I will just throw some more money at it when it turns back, but I also sold a lot, and I also hedged a lot, and I also added to the winning trades a lot to balance it out. Therefore, I didn't really lose that much yesterday, even though everything was down. So our world is basically a straight up shit show. I'm looking at this right now. We have a Ukrainian power plant is on fire. A nuclear power plant, if I didn't say nuclear. Global futures are free falling everywhere. I mean, Jesus, man, you can't just get one day in the market to just chillax for a second, can you? So, all right. So I had done a few videos on Bitcoin. I had taken Bitcoin. It went all the way up. I made a lot of money. It started to fall. I stayed in a certain way. I could have got out tighter. I still made a lot, but I closed the trade, and I'm kind of waiting to see kind of where it goes. I've been playing a little bit short, a little bit up, but nothing crazy because I want a true direction. And my belief is it's going to be going up. It's just that all this stuff going on with Congress and Elizabeth Warren and all the, it's so much every day, all day, never ends. We've had the Jerome Powell stuff. He did confirm he was going to start off in March with a quarter-point basis hike, which is good. I had mentioned that I think that's what he would do with the escalation in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and he did say that. He also did scare the market on the second meeting with the Senate and said, hey, man, if I got to go straight Volcker, I'll go straight Volcker. So it's just been a hell of a day. Then you had Biden's cabinet meeting, and I mean, the State of the Union. I guess I haven't been here for a couple days. A lot's happened. So, and now we have a nuclear power plant in Ukraine on fire. Just totally great, right? Just perfect. So this is how you got to do it. This is how I'm making money right now. I bought wheat. I mean, look at the chart on wheat. This thing is like parabolic. Now, I will tell you, when something goes parabolic like this, 10 out of 10 times, it falls just as hard. So you want to be careful, okay? However, the situation with wheat is pretty dire because most of the wheat and grain comes out of Ukraine. So, and we're the main buyer of that particular commodity and export it from them. So yeah, this is a problem. Wheat will probably continue to go up. Coal is like the superstar for energy. It's the superstar on the 1 day, the 3 day, the 5 day, the 1 month, the 3 months. I mean, it's just coal. And I'll give you some coal ones, some energy, some mining, some minerals, some non-energy, construction, different plays. And I'll show you kind of what I'm doing. So this, even though I was just telling you that wheat is going parabolic, I back it up to the 1 hour. And then what I'll do is if this either the ribbon goes red or the cloud goes red on the 1 hour, I'll get out early before it even shows signs of fatigue on the daily. And that's just the way I'm going to play it. Here's another one that I picked up. So that's wheat, W-E-A-T, and it's the wheat fund. Okay. Another one that I picked up was Kroger, which had a stellar day, 11.61. You can see on the daily, we got the blue ribbons above the 200. I mean, parabola, right? Parabola, or however you say it, but parabolic is what I'm trying to say. So, I mean, on the hourly, I mean, it's solid too. This is my big one. Now, I already took a lot of profit on it, but I reopened it, and I'm up. I'm actually up in my Webull account like 40. Hold on, let me look. In after hours, I'm up 42.69% on this. This is BTU Peabody. I've mentioned in multiple videos. This thing is running. It is running. Okay. Here's one I just picked up in after hours. Super cheap. I don't really like them this small, but they just got some deal for some satellites, and I figure, what the hell, so cheap. So I grabbed it. It's called GSAT. I don't know that I'm suggesting that one for everybody, but I like the bullish momentum. This one I would suggest Cleveland Cliffs. I mean, this thing is screaming. Let's just go to the daily so you can see what they're looking like on the daily. Just got a blue ribbon. It's above the 200. Major momentum. Looking strong. That wheat one, strong on the daily. Kroger, strong on the daily. GSAT, not strong on the daily. Cleveland Cliffs is. And then this one I like for you guys. AMR. Okay, they're metallurgical resources, and basically it's coal. Okay, it's like BTU. So AMR and BTU are just going to run. Okay, this one's doing really good. It actually somehow landed on the top 100 stocks out of the whole stock market recently, and it's making its way up the leaderboard on there, which I find very interesting because it's, I don't know what's making it move so much, but it's consumer non-durables. It's not bullish on the daily, but it's certainly bullish on the hourly. Okay, and you're not too late to get in on that one. This is a very good stock right here, HSON. Okay, commercial services, personal services, great momentum, blue ribbon. I mean, these are the kind of candles you're looking for. UTSL, it's basically a defensive play. It's a utility play. It's getting a lot of momentum right now because people are looking to move money into things like gold and palladium and coal and energy, commodities, minerals, mining, copper, lumber, steel, these kind of things. So utilities would make sense. ZIM is transportation. I got 3 transportation plays going right now. Have ZIM, GRIN, and SBLK. And SBLK is a marine shipping, so the ships in the ocean, and the other 2 are ground. Look at this uptrend, guys. Just love this thing. I don't have this SQQQ. I closed it at the end of the day, but I'm going to be reopening it because now we have a nuclear power plant on fire. Tech, TECK. I just picked this up. This is metals and minerals. Super good uptrend. I mean, really good one. SCCO, this is copper, another really good bullish uptrend. CF Industries, doing really, really, really good. It's fertilizer, basically. STLD, I told you about steel. This is a steel company. Look at this on the hourly, guys. This thing is running. Boom. Look at that. That's what you want your charts to look like. This is how I make money. Like, instead of like freaking out about like, oh, everything's falling, like, have a system to exit, have a system to enter, have a system to average down into momentum if you messed up. Buy long on the hourly, but only if you're in an uptrend on the daily. Like, have all your rules put together and look for stuff that is got momentum and is bullish for the daily. A lot of things don't have a blue ribbon above a 200 with this kind of momentum on the daily. So steel is good. DBA. This is an agricultural fund. You get all of it. You get all of it. Look at this thing. Look at this uptrend, guys. Boom. Just got this one. Just got it. KBR, Technology Services, super good momentum. I grabbed it. PSA, it's public storage, big uptrend. I mean, if you're going long and you want to bet to go up, you need your charts to look like this. Okay, don't keep buying like things that are going down and averaging down. Why waste your money and why waste your time? Just push it into momentum and have an exit strategy if something happens on the technicals, and then take your profit and apply it somewhere else or run it down and compound it. You know, be a G. Do the G method like I do. COM, this thing is it's Auspicious Broad Commodity Strategy Index, and I picked it up just today, and I'm excited about it. I'm very excited about it. I got put a lot into this. Feeling good about it. It obviously runs big when it runs. It just got the blue ribbon above the 200, has the momentum, and it's in the agricultural, which we're having a food supply shortage coming from multiple directions, so it's very good. This is NTR. This is fertilizer, okay? You got to have this, man. You got to have like Mosaics and Nutrien, and these are good. Okay, MLI, producer manufacturing, metals fabrication. I've been trading it, but I do have it right now overnight. Here, it's a medical one, triple leverage, triple leverage bull, healthcare. So if healthcare is doing good, this one will do good. This is one I'm looking to buy, but I have not bought yet. You can even see the momentum on the daily, but let's look at the hourly. This is PDBC. So, I mean, that's what I'm looking for. Chevron, one of the best charts in the game right now. I mean, this thing is just running. HCA, healthcare. I'm thinking maybe healthcare, further up the road might be popping, and we're just getting started, kind of like coal and energy is now. This might just be starting, and if you start looking at buying some of the stuff now, 4 or 5 months, it could be running really hot. Corn, I know, everything I have is boring. I got lumber, copper, steel, coal, energy, fertilizer. I mean, but that's where the money is. You follow the money, guys, If you want to go long, get in that uptrend, man. That's where the money's at. You're going to tell me that if you buy here on the blue ribbon and you sell here, like you're going to lose money? You can't tell me that. I just don't believe you. Look, let's just make that a yellow. So if you were to buy here at 12 bucks, you were to sell here at 20 bucks, you made $8. All you had to do was get out when it went red. It's pretty basic. Same thing here. Hey, get in at 20 and you're at 25. So now you've made 8 plus 5. It's 13 bucks. So stay in those blue ribbons, follow the trend, be a directional trader, be a trend trader. I like to make sure it's bullish on the daily, but I'm trading on the hourly, and I have 3 different exit strategies. I have the tight method, the middle method, and the chill method. Just depends on what's going on with the market. I usually do the one in the middle, which works really good for me. ERX, it's a double leverage bull energy. I mean, I prefer NRGU, but this one's really good too. Rio, just picked this up today. Just got this one. Excited about it, and it's metals, minerals, which is hitting in the top 3 on all the industry groups pretty much every day. So it's starting to really move and shine, and so I'm kind of loading the boat with the coals, oils, gas, energy, shipping, copper, lumber, steel, fertilizers, metals, minerals, mining, gold, silver, palladium. This stuff. I mean, this is where the money is at. This is what's winning. In fact, this very next one is aluminum, Alcoa. I mean, boom. Who loves you, baby? Green lights to the beach. Excel, it's actually in my top 5 for gains right now in this account over here, and doing really good with it. I also have it in another account. So I have it in 2 different accounts. I like this one, and again, I'm doing all my trading off of the hourly, and yeah, so looks like the last time I got it was when it dipped down here in that first candle, and I'm just running with it. But here's another one I just picked up. Just picked it up. It's in the right sector, guys. It's got the right trend. I mean, it's about to do good. I just got it like today at the end of the day. Another one I just got today. I'm just loading the boat with where the money's going, where the trend is. I mean, I want my stocks looking like this. I don't know what you want your stocks to look like, but I don't want them to look like this. I want them to look like this, man. That's how you make money. You either make money going in the red, or you make money going long in the blue. Here's an easy one. It's common sense. LNG, liquid natural gas. I mean, there's a natural gas problem. It's like ding. Here's a brand new one. I just got this one. Oh, I'm actually up a little bit. I just bought this. Literally just bought it. I love the chart. Look at this on the 1 hour, guys. Look at this. I mean, all my charts look like that. That's what I'm looking for. Charts that look like that. You find charts that look like that, you just throw money at it. Just throw money at it. You don't even trip. And look at this. Blue ribbons above the 200, that kind of momentum in the right sector. Can't go wrong. This is one I just picked up today. I'm really excited about it. It's called Simply Food Company. Just got the blue ribbon. I'm excited. I think it's going to do good. Here's another one. Great chart. I'm down a little bit on it, but not worried about it. I just bought it today. Look at the momentum, guys. I mean, it's crushing. Look at this chart. Like, boom, run it, get out. Run it, get out. Run it. So, I mean, this thing has a pattern. I mean, it looks like it's about to break out. Like, SBSW. It's called Sibane Stillwater Limited. Really good. COP is ConocoPhillips. I mean, it's like Chevron or Exxon. You can't go wrong with that. Hope is a new one I just got today. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's a bank, Hope Bank Corp. So got one of those. SM Energy. I actually sold half of my position today. NRGU, triple leverage. UAN, CRV Partners. This one is crushing it. In fact, this one went up $3 or $4 in the after hours today. I'm not sure why, but right here. Net sales rise, lifts quarterly dividend. Okay. So yeah, that one shot up. Oh yeah, because they got the dividend. Okay, makes sense. So that's a good one. LAD, that's another one I've been doing pretty good with. This is in the Fidelity, and I mean, look, it's getting bullish to the daily. You can tell I've been trading it. Just rebought it again. It looks like, and yeah, so I got out before it went purple, and I just got back in. So. Intero Resources, I'm just holding this one. You know, in one of my accounts on this, I'm up, I think it's 132%. Let me look real quick. Now, this is, when I say that, I've never sold it. It's 129.32%. Of course, I don't have a lot of shares in that account, and I kind of just forgot about everything in there, to be honest. I have weird stuff in there. I have some bank, there's some PayPal. There's just weird stuff in there. Shiba's in there. And I just never sell anything that goes in there, and that one's up almost 130%. So, and then I've been running this in all my main accounts and doing really, really good with it. In fact, I have it in another one that I just rebought, and it's up 4.84% again. But we started buying this over here. We ran all this, started running this multiple times, and I really like this one. So Antero Resources, really good. Matson, this thing was up like 20K, but these candles right here, they can take a beating when you got a lot of shares. So NRP, a brand new one I just bought this one today. I just can't resist an uptrend like that, guys. I mean, I don't know if you can, but I can't resist an uptrend like that. Look at that. That is just delicious, right? Woo. I mean, just throw your money in there and just wait till it goes red and sell it. Like, it's not that crazy. Of course, I easier said than done. I usually sell way before it goes red, and then I rebuy and sell, and I trade. But this one is on semiconductor. It's not doing much right now, but I do like this one, and I do believe in the company. Ford, it's not doing very good. This one, Starbolt Carriers, I love. It's just had a couple down days, but it's really good. So this is another one. I just keep you can see buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and then I don't know where the arrow is. Maybe I bought it on this one. But yeah, so I mean, I just keep buying and selling this one. This one I had hopes for. It just got the blue ribbon on the daily. It's called Doximity, but it just hasn't really had a bad day today. It kind of knocked out all the gains, but I just bought it over here. You see, I bought it here, I bought it here, I bought it here. I sold it all there, it looks like, and then I bought it twice here, which was yesterday, and then today it was just bad. So yeah, that's all I got for you, man. Just stay in steel, lumber, copper, coil, uranium, lithium, energy, obviously, corn, wheat, palladium, if I didn't say, utilities, defensive, definitely defensive after what's going on the news. Don't know what's going to happen to iron ore, gold, silver. Yeah, lots of, I mean, just you're in a commodities era right now. This is like, but man, let me tell you something. Like, if you think you're in a bear run, well, the overall market is. You're in a bear run. But not the stuff I'm showing you. The stuff I'm showing you is a raging bull run. Like, remember 2020 when all that stimulus was coming and everything was running hot? Everything in my list is in a major bull run. You know how people say, doesn't matter what the market's doing, there's always a bull run somewhere? Yeah, I just showed you. We're in a bull run on my stocks right now. Look at this. You're going to tell me we're not in a bull run? Come on. You're going to tell me we're not in a bull run? Come on. You're going to tell me we're not in a bull run? Wait, you're going to tell me we're not in a bull run? Come on. You can't do it because we're running, guys. You just got to know what to pick. You just got to know what to put in there. Look, there's steel. Look at copper. I mean, look at metals and mining. Look at utilities. Look at coal. Look at here, let's go find corn. Look at this one. Look at this one. I just got this. I mean, this thing's crazy. Look at fertilizer. Guys. Look at gasoline. Look at corn, guys. Look at corn. So when they say there's always a bull run somewhere, I'm literally showing you where the bull run is. This is where all the money is. You want to make money going long, this is where the money is, okay? Everything in my list is where the money is. You could literally screenshot, copy what you can, not call me, but you can put in the comments, and I'll send you the list, whatever, I don't care. And you literally can buy all this stuff and you can just let it sit and you make money on it. This is where the money's at, guys. So I'm going to end it there. Sorry I didn't make a thing for a couple days of video. I got a lot of stuff going on. I've had my maids here. I had an appraiser here. I was doing stuff in my garage. I just got all this different stuff going on. I was just trying to get all that stuff done so I can get back to like regular life. So I've got it all done and start making some videos. But yeah, guys, jump in the Discord. It's free. Come in there. You probably want to upgrade so you can do the Wheelhouse Wednesday group trainings where I teach you guys training and charting and technical analysis and trade setups, and then all the courses, my trade alerts, I'm going off on trade alerts right now. You can literally subscribe to that, and then when I say buy, just buy. When I say sell, you just sell. Like it's not hard. I just want to show you one more stock that I'm really into. It's called the Anderson Inc. I don't know what they do. Oh, agricultural commodities and milling, processing. Okay, so this must be like some sort of fertilizer or milling equipment. I'm not sure, but look at the chart. That's all I need to know, guys. You want to make money, this is all you need to know. Like, are we going up? Cool. Look at this trend. Buy it at 14.30, and you're at 48.23. That's to 28 bucks, it's 100%, okay? So $42 is 200%, and then another $6, call it 245%. 245%, just knowing how to spot an accumulation phase and get in on the ribbon and hope it goes above the 200 and then just sit tight. At 245%, guys. So I just got it. I'm late to the party. I just got it, but I don't think any of this stuff is ending. All this stuff that's like pinned to inflation is going to continue to go up. That's why I'm just like load the boat on coal, steel, lumber, like whatever. Lean hogs, palladium, gold, silver. I'm not doing the Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, Google thing right now. I'll do the Google on the 20-to-1. I'll push heavy into it and I'll get mine. But Cleveland Cliffs, LPX, NUE, Nucor Energy, Zim gets shipping. That's where the money's at. I'm going to leave it there. Miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching to the end. And welcome to the Wheelhouse.